Well, the new Weiser Technik indicator lights are on. All the panels are back on. The rear rack, the seats. The lights are actually bigger than the standard BMW lights. So let's see if they work. Wow. Indicators that are spotlights. Geez, they're bright. Goodbye. Red and yellow lights. Let's see what the back ones are like. They look so much better. BMW, that's how you do it. Let's try the indicators. Left. That's a massive improvement. And the front ones go from a white light to a yellow light or an orange light. If motorists can't see that, then they need to be driving with a CNI dog. That's brilliant. Let's try the brake lights. So much better. I'm impressed with those. Weiser Technik, well done.